Hello, third grade. This is your weekly instructional lesson for week 9, March 9th through the 13th. This week we're going to be talking about magnetism. So today, the day I'm recording this is Monday. You will do engage, Tuesday explore, Wednesday explain, Thursday evaluate, Friday elaborate and express. Click on 24.2 magnetism week 1. Step 1, watch this video walkthrough. Step 2, complete the lesson below, which is the wheel for week 9. Step 3, upload your work here or send it to me in an email, hangout, or text. You will submit the following for a grade, which is 20 points, and a frog for the Leap into Learning contest. Part 1, explain, respond to the 3 prompts. Part 2, elaborate, complete the activity in full, and 3, express the reflection. So let's take a look at the lesson. So Science and Social Studies 3, Science is our topic this week, week 9. Learning target, I can describe how magnets affect one another and objects around it. So engage, what do you know about magnets? You might have magnets sticking to the refrigerator in your kitchen at home, holding up notes or drawings. Maybe you have played with toys that contain magnets. Find a magnet or two, then complete this lesson to check your understanding of magnet behavior. Explore, you have a do, watch, read. Do the activity described at the bottom of page 1 to experiment with magnets. If you click on that, it will open up to our lesson. And I, of course, linked out page 2, 3, and 4, but it'll only open to the first page. But it'll give you the chance to just open it up. So page 1 is the do. This is the activity. Download the worksheet, which is the activity yellow star button down here. Gather at least 5 objects that you think will stick to a magnet and 5 objects that you think will not stick to a magnet. List them on the worksheet. Do not put magnets near a computer or a TV because it will go badly. Test the objects with a magnet. I keep wanting to say magic. I have Harry Potter in the brain, apparently. Were your predictions correct? On the worksheet, write down what you observed about the things that stuck and did not stick to a magnet and answer the questions. Then ask yourself, what did you discover? You should have found that magnets stick to certain metal objects, but not all metal objects. In fact, magnets stick to things containing iron, cobalt, or nickel. Magnets do not stick to other metals or to other non-metals, such as wood, paper, plastic, rubber, or cloth. So in the activity, there is a grid here, things I think will stick, things that I think will not stick, and then the results, things that did and things that did not. And then you have some questions to answer to reflect. And if you need help, there's a sample answer key here. Then page 2, you're going to watch the video to learn about what magnets can do. That's here. And then pages 3 and 4, you're going to read and interact with them to see how learn about magnetic pushes and pulls. So there's some reading and an experiment to try, and some reading and a little self-check. Then you're going to be able to explain. This is worth 2 points. 4 points. 4, something like that. 1, what are magnets made of? Hints, check out page 2. 2, a magnet does not need to be touching an object to exert a magnetic force on it. Magnetic force can act how? See page 3. When do magnets pull and when do they push? See page 4. Check your understanding of forces by playing this game. So if we go to this link, it's Gravity on Quizlet. Click Get Started. Study all. You want to answer with the term, and you can start out easy, medium, or hard. I'll have it at, let's go easy. Take it easy on this story. Start the game, and you're going to type your answer down here. So this is coming down, and I have to answer it. The space around a magnet where the force of the magnet can act. Earth's magnetic field is most like the magnet field of a bar magnet. Magnetic force. Oh, that wasn't right. So I don't get that one. Rock that is naturally magnetic. It was a magnetic field. So I gotta copy that to help me remember. I believe that is called a magnite. No. I'm gonna let it pass so I can figure it out. I was close. It was a magnetite. Well, it wants me to copy the whole thing. Lodestone okay. Area's magnet where its force of attraction is strongest. Magnetic field. Nope. So keep going, guys. All right. And then you're going to elaborate. Magnets come in many shapes and sizes, and they also have different strengths. One magnet may exert a strong force that can lift a heavy object, while another magnet exerts a weak force that can lift much less weight. For any one magnet, the strength of the magnetic force depends on how far an object is from it. You can see this effect if you hold a magnet above several different iron objects and slowly lower it toward them. The lightest objects will jump up to the magnet first when the magnet is still pretty far away. The heavier objects will jump up only when the magnet gets closer. Try this activity to see how the distance between a magnet and the object it is lifting affects how much weight it can lift. So click on this activity and you will complete this. It's 3 pages, step by step. Take your time. You can do that. Self-assessment, you do that on your own. You do not have to submit that to me, but I do need to see your reflection. This week, you are going to answer, what remaining questions do you have about magnets? All right, if you have any questions, let me know.